friends. I do hope and pray that all is well with you guys, and I hope that your Friday was a wonderful day, and I hope you have a even more blessed day today. So today I am taking on a task that needs to be taken on, and that is, of course, organization in the refrigerator. Yeah, it's just a lot, guys, and I've got to try to get some kind of organization here. I've got a little bit too much going on, and I don't know what's in here, what needs to be out, and all of that goodness. So I'm gonna pull the trash can up beside me and commence to cleaning. Got my bleach water right here, and I am just going to do my thing. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. Sometimes you just have to go through your refrigerator and just organize your stuff. I mean, it makes me a happy person, because when you're doing a lot of cooking, you tend to have some stuff pancakes or something. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I hope, like I said earlier, that you guys are all doing well and swell. I don't know where you are in the world, but I am in Missouri, and our weather is definitely changing. You know, we're getting into definitely a little fall, a little winter, you know, here and there. So that's, I don't know. I would love to be in a place to where I don't have to worry about snow, and if I do worry about snow, it's because that was my choice, you know, and I chose to come and visit the snow. But I don't know, I was born and raised in Oklahoma, so of course I'm definitely used to it, but just because you're used to it, that doesn't mean that that is something that, you know, you want to contend with on a regular basis. So, at least with me. But for now, I am here. And for now, I am going to love it. I have to love it for now. Until I can do a little bit better, you know, financially, be able to afford to move somewhere else and not have to feel like I gotta hustle and flow, you know, to live there. I done lived my hustle and flow lives. I done lived my hustle and flow life. So I'm cool with hustling and flowing. I'll leave that to the young children who enjoys hustling and flowing. Ooh. Yeah. I'll put you in the trash for now. I don't know what's going on with you. But yeah, so that's my dream. My dream is Florida. Somewhere in Florida. Somewhere in Florida has my name on it. Somewhere. I just got to be patient and just go from there. So, yeah. Got to keep your dreams alive. Keep your dreams alive. All right, so that little shelf is done. I've got to try to get this bottom shelf out though. Yes, baby. So let's see. How did I do that the last time? This one here likes to give me problems to get out. All right. All right, guys. Yes, indeed, honey. We just, almost got this here done. Like I said, it just takes a little bit of time. But it's just something that I try to put on my schedule to do at least once a month, is try to keep this clean. Sometimes it's a little hard to keep that whole month thing going, but I do try. And I definitely try to throw things out, check expiration dates, and all of that. And all of that goodness. Yeah, so everything is going as planned and almost done here. just a couple of more shelves, and it will be a wrap for refrigerator clean out for the month of October. You hear some popping in the background. Yeah, I'm cooking too. You know, multitasking. So all of that is probably still good. Multitasking, baby. You know that's what we do as women. We multitask. So, where is my other ketchup? Which ketchup are you? Are you a Heinz or a Hunt's? Let me know, because I just realized I am not a Hunt's. And maybe it's because it doesn't have any preservatives in it. I don't know. But I don't like Hunt's. For some reason, it's just not too cool. Now, this is something that I do like. Can you see that? That's that mustard honey. Yes, I do. I like that. I like any mustard. Dijon. Can't miss me. Now, this is a sriracha mayonnaise, though. When does that expire? They gotta do better by these dates, because I can't read half of these dates. And then just regular old mustard. Can't go wrong with old French's. And so I've got French's and, oh Jesus, French's and Heinz. Which one are you? Are you a French or a Heinz? Get both of these ketchups right there. And let me try to find a little place for my, y'all know I like making my own coffee drinks in the morning. This is a really good pumpkin whipped topping. And of course, you know you can't go wrong with just a regular whipped topping for your little drinks. Okay, so my mayonnaise, my chocolate. Sometimes I want some chocolate milk. And my sriracha. Got to find a little spot for y'all. Alright, so the only thing does not have a home is my sodas. And I don't want them to take up all that space in the refrigerator, but they're gonna have to. Let me just put them right there, like so. And my little mix for my chicken. Put that right there with my biscuits. And my cranberry sauce. Baby, in a few weeks, I'm about to bust that open. Okay, so it looks like it really does look like this is done, guys. Got a lot of trash to throw out. Yeah, so I think it's done. I'll let you guys take a peek and tell me what you think. So it's just clean. I did try this out. And that just basically has my lunch meat, my cheese, my bread, my turkey bacon. So I could just pull all of that out at one time. And I got a little container for my eggs. But everything else I just organized. And I don't know if y'all are like me, but I'm probably not. But when I buy biscuits, I only eat 2 of them at a time. So I put my biscuits in a plastic wrap and, a plastic baggie. And when I'm ready for another one, it's there. So this is done, family. I thank you guys for watching this video. I truly do appreciate it, and I thank you guys for commenting on the videos that I do put out for you. You know, sometimes we just get in a rush in life, and it's not intentional that we live like that. We just get in a rush, and sometimes things like this happen where you just have to take your time and you have to go in, you have to throw things out and clean your refrigerator out. Know what you have so you're not duplicating. And yeah, it just makes life a lot easier. It really and truly does. So thank you guys for commenting, subscribing, liking, sharing, all of that goodness. And I truly do appreciate you guys watching these videos, because right now that is my life. It's just getting myself organized. I don't know. I just feel like that's my life. That's what I have to do. I just want to know what I have, where it is, and I want it to be easy, accessible. All right? So, until next time, guys, guess what? I heard you. Yep, you're right. Remain sweet and kind, okay? Love you guys. Until next time. Bye for now.